This is not easy, but it's fun. I definitely enjoy doing nails. It's like the bomb. And I'm going to be like, cha-ching, boom. Hi, cutie. Welcome back to my channel. So, how have you been? Comment below. How was your week? What cute things did you do for yourself? Let's communicate and engage. So, let's start this video. This week has been amazing. And I say amazing because I've made progress in doing nails. Like, I'm super excited. I did 3 sets of nails this week. I did 2 people. I didn't charge them, but one actually paid me. And I did my own nails. Let's check it out. Let me give you the tip off report right here. Check out the tip off. This is it. This is the first cutie I made tipsy. She has a 2-color ombre, which includes a hot pink at the top and white at the bottom. The hot pink is beautiful because it shines and it glistens as the cutie waves and say hello to her friends. She's on vacation in the tropics enjoying her tipsy nails. Hey cutie, stay cute. This is a working cutie who I made tipsy this week. She has to pick up boxes and throw things out and deliver stuff. So I gave her medium length, 1 color acrylic, which is nude, shaped and filed it with a shiny top coat. This cutie can be active yet cute at the same time. So she's tipsy at work saying, hey, pass that box to me. I see you. Stay cute, cutie. Last but not least is the tipsy cutie you're looking at. Yes, my nails are dead. I'm a tipsy cutie. Hey. So yes, I've been practicing my nail art just on my individual basis. If you take a look at these photos, you'll see just me freestyling and me just trying to get more accustomed to using nail art tools, right? And as I've mentioned before, practice makes perfect. So in order to like not be perfect, but be like good in my skill set, I need help. And how do I get help? Because this is all about growth and development and practicing a skill that has to be crafted over time. So to help me be better, in my last video, I mentioned some things that I bought on a budget and items that I use to practice with. So I say I bought it on a budget, it's because I'm not actually getting a return on my investment yet. So now that I'm practicing, I said I would use gently used nail art products, buy less expensive acrylic and things of that nature. So one thing that I have to begin practicing is some tools, right? So you wonder, like, as a beginner nail tech, what is actually needed? I didn't do any like Google search or anything, but based off what videos I've watched and myself practicing and just looking around like, oh, I need this, oh, I need that. So here are a few things I recommend that beginner nail techs have to begin nail art, especially if you know you're not doing nails and taking clients right away. So for starters, I recommend gel. I don't even know the name of this. Gel liners, line art gel art. They are called line gel art. Let me put this down because they come in gel form and they have a line. So it's not like a normal brush that you would use to do acrylic, it's different. This is a gel line brush, right? Or gel line art. It's a brush because it actually has little hairs that capture the gel and you use it to draw. So one, line gel art. I have about 4 that I had randomly purchased when I first started doing nails. And as I mentioned before, just because I have it doesn't mean I'm good at using it. I'm learning a proper way to actually pick up enough paint on a brush so when I begin doing nail art, it's not like messed up and just the gel falls everywhere. Have you had that experience before as a beginner nail tech when you're picking up paint and you try to put it on someone's hands or draw something and just too much? Write in the comments below. Please let me know what ways you prevent that from happening. In my last video, I mentioned that I was taught how to just like swivel it around, but sometimes that is not enough. Like, you gotta, for me, I like scrape it and move it around and make sure it's not enough, but then it's not enough on it and I can't do the art. So I know some people, they take the gel and put it on this little plate. So like the gel color, they put on a little plate and they'll have a brush, which leads me to my next tool. These tools right here, these are some gel art tools as well. So this has a little brush on it. If you look at it, a little brush. This has a little brush and a dotting tool. This one's clean. So the dotting tool, see that? Some use this. Here's another one. And when they put the gel onto a plate surface or whatever they call it, I'm gonna look up the name, they take their brush rather than dipping it in there, because you know the same issue I had is what this probably is used for, to prevent too much product going onto the brush. They put it on the little plate, take this, and then they dab some up, and then they design. So maybe that could be super helpful too. So aside from having gel line art gel, you can get some tools. These are always recommended. Everyone you see like doing nail art, use these. I think this one, this silicone part, is for more of doing gel nails, and that's a whole nother type of acrylic thingy that you can do. But I recommend these tools, which I've started using, and line gel. I told you all, and this is not a promo, this is a tool that I bought, the little black nail book. It's a little messy because I had it everywhere. Kept pulling it off, saying I'm gonna use it. Never did. But I definitely will start using it today because this book is super helpful, and it just gives you insight as to what you need to know when practicing your nail art. It gives you information about brush sizes, to practice your brush stroke, crystal placement for crystals on the nail, how to trace and practice different designs. I'll show some of the designs I do. I think this book is great because it actually helps you trace. So you see? So the design is there. However, it's up to you as the artist, the creator, to think of a color scheme that'll be beautiful on the nail, depending on maybe the color acrylic you use, the shape of the person's nail, or how the individual wants their nail designed. I'm going to use this as a foundation for my nail art progress. What tools have you used to become better at your nail art craft, or any type of artistic development you had to grow into becoming better? I know these things don't happen overnight, and everybody has their own little techniques. Like some people prefer to use a certain type of brush or a certain size brush or a certain type of acrylic or a certain type of gel line that they feel works for them. So, for example, for me, I had to find a short acrylic brush. I'm left-handed and I kind of write funny. So painting and writing, I had to turn this way or sideways. So the longer brush kept poking me in my like bosom. And I didn't like that. So I found a shorter brush rather than angling my arm and everything. I just angled my body where the brush now helped me. So what do you use? Write in the comments below and let me know. So it's small stuff like this that I like to share information about, because I noticed that some people, they say they start nails. They're super enthusiastic about it. They're very, very much engaged. And then they stop. They like take a break. They take like a few months off and then get back to it. But why? Write in the comments, like, what makes beginner nail techs start and then stop and take some time? For me, I know that it's super hard, because there were times I never stopped. I just was like, what am I doing? This is who never told me this was this difficult. Like, I didn't stop. I just was so bad at it that I kept doing it. Like, ain't no way I can't get this, that was my thinking behind it. And I didn't take a break. The only times I had to stop doing nails was when I was waiting for product delivery, or like my brush got messed up, or, random stuff was happening. Like random shit would break. Oops, excuse my language. Stuff would break, go missing. I gotta find it. I'm like, this is not happening to me. But yeah, it was. So now I want to share some of the sketches that I do in a book and show you where I'm at right now. So I know this may seem minor and minuscule, but one thing I've observed about me, I noticed that when I use these things and when I'm trying to like draw a detailed line, see how all this polish will fall down? I noticed that it's easier to draw a line. See how all this comes down? This is too much. This is too much. I noticed for me though, that when I'm drawing, and I've observed others do it, that there should be a little bit of polish on the end right here. See that little drop, that little bit. Oh. It making sure there's a little bit at this point, sort of like a ballpoint pen. When you're writing, there has to be something there. Not too much, but just enough. So for me, I've observed that when I'm doing nails, see that little bit? Not this part, but this. There has to be like something where I can go like this. And it like writes. So for me, I have to keep that in mind, or else I'm putting too much product on the paper. But enough said. A few tools you need: a dotting tool, brushes, and for me, I've gotten a book, a nail art book, which I'm going to share some videos with you right now. So check this out. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'm getting better at designing nails, and I hopefully will begin taking clients maybe in the next few months. I said I wouldn't take clients until I did like 10 people, but I think I've included myself. I think I'm at least up to like 8 or 9. But I just want to say, hey cutie, I see you cutie, stay cute, and please like, share, and subscribe. Please share my videos, and I hope to help someone out there, someone who may have taken a little break before actually going back to nails, so you can see this video and know you're not alone. Yeah, have a great week. Thank you. Come back, and I'll see you soon.